winter at Coppet Hill, and love is in the air for our barn owls, Titus and Alba. These two got together late last summer, nesting in a hollow ash tree, where they raised a family of 4 chicks. It was the first time in living memory that barn owls have bred here, and a great first step as we begin our journey into wildlife-friendly farming. But soon after the young have fledged, disaster strikes. An autumn storm tears a branch from the tree, destroying the nest and leaving the owls homeless. We'll be patching up the damage as best we can and creating a new home in a nearby barn. Breeding season is on its way. Will these beautiful birds stay and raise another family here at Coppet Hill? Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube to see the next chapter in this barn owl love story.